Hey everybody, it's Davita with WTI, and I finally found the backpack that I have been looking for. This is the G4Free lightweight packable backpack. My favorite feature about it is that it can turn inside out and it folds itself into a little square, and you can use that, let's say, if you want to attach it to another backpack, if you're traveling, if you're hiking. I really like that it's water repellent. So let's say you're hiking and it starts raining, the little water droplets simply just fall off of this material. It's super breathable. It has like these mesh lined straps on it. The material is really sturdy and great. You can fit a water bottle on either side of the backpack, and it has multiple zippers, and even though it's 11 liters, it's small. For me, it's the perfect size. So you can either fit just a little bit in here and keep it lightweight, or you can pack a bunch of stuff in here. So don't let the size fool you. I have been super happy using this, especially for travel. I think it's really great and lightweight, easy to pack, which is something that I love. So this would also make a really good gym bag. So if you are looking for a lightweight packable backpack, this is definitely a really great one, and I recommend it. And that is my point of view.